Hello, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for joining me today where I'm going to be going through my summer watch roll because I'm going to be going away on holiday very shortly and I'm going to be taking 3 watches away with me as well as one on the wrist as a bonus, so 4 watches total. So I'm going to be going through which watches I've selected and why I've selected them. Let's get into it. Now, before I get fully into the video, would you mind taking just a second to subscribe down below? It'd really help out the channel. Now let's go into my wristwatch check and my drinks check. Starting off my drinks check, I have the Bailey's Colada limited edition today, and I'm going to be combining it with a few other ingredients to make a cocktail. So I've got 1 shot of Bailey's Colada, 1 shot of Malibu, mixed with a little bit of cream, a little bit of milk, and then pineapple juice to make this, well, quite refreshing cocktail on this beautiful summer day. So I'm going to take a sip of this and see what it's like. It's very foamy because I blended it together with some ice, so it's quite fizzed up at the moment. Let's see how it tastes. Wow, it's really thick. I've probably put too much cream in that, but I had to take a few sips to even get through the layer of foam on the top. But wow, that is an amazing cocktail. I don't know if that's already a cocktail, but I just made that up as I went along, and that is really, really refreshing. Sorry to interrupt the video, this is now me talking from the editing booth. Somehow I drank that cocktail and was so distracted by the flavour, I forgot to do my wristwatch check. So I was at the time wearing my Longines Conquest silver dial on the bracelet. Now let's get back to the video. So the first watch is a watch I'm going to be wearing on my wrist down to the beach. So that's going to be a really simple black on black G-Shock. I take this basically anywhere I go because I like to try and keep up with a bit of fitness while I'm away on holiday, or if I'm, just away for a weekend or whatever. So I'm going to use this as my sort of gym and beta watch. So it's probably not going to see a lot of wrist time, but I like to have it just in case I want to bash it about a bit, take it, go to the gym, go swimming, do whatever really. So do it all watch. So the first watch coming out of the watch roll is my Buford Cavalli in forest green. I've owned this watch now for almost 2 years and I absolutely love it. I love the way that the beautiful green bezel, the sapphire covered bezel, sort of shines in conjunction with that beautiful fume dial that sort of bursts outwards and has that nice sort of gritty sandy texture to the dial. I think this is going to look fantastic on the beach, and it's going to be a great watch just to chill and wear about. It's not really going to be a watch I'm going to take in the sea because I've got it on a stingray green strap to match the colour of the dial, and it's not waterproof, so I don't really want to damage that strap, so I'm going to wear other watches in the sea. Even though this is dive capable, I'm probably going to keep this mainly on land and just wear it as a casual sort of on the beach, maybe walking around town watch. The next watch is actually the most expensive watch that I'm going to be taking on holiday, and the most expensive watch I've ever taken on holiday, because that's going to be my Omega Seamaster Aquaterra in blue. Now, the little problem I had with this watch is, what do I want to take it on? Do I want to take it on a leather strap that I've currently got it on? Do I want to take it on the beautiful blue sailcloth from Artem Straps? Do I want to take it on a NATO strap? What do I do with it? Well, I've actually already decided, so I'm going to take it on a leather strap, but also take the sailcloth. I'm going to have both straps with me because I want to take it on the leather for some photos, basically. I'm not really going to wear it on the leather, I'm just going to take some photos with it on the leather because I think it would just look amazing with a sunset in the background or something like that. But I think I'm just going to wear it on the Artem the whole time I'm going to be there, basically, because it's just such an amazing strap, and I want to go in the water with it. I want to take this into the water. I want the Seamaster to meet the sea. It's the first time I'm ever going to have this watch in the sea, and I want it on the Artem strap to go into the ocean. So that's what I'm going to be mainly wearing it on, and I'm going to be wearing this quite a lot. I'm hoping this is going to be my most worn watch. I'm going to wear this basically anywhere during the day, and then for the night, well, that's a different watch entirely. I'm going to be wearing a different watch than the last one in this video, and this is the watch I'm going to be wearing when I'm, going out for dinner, when I'm going out for a drink, or if I just want to maybe wear this during the day, I can do as well. And that is my black on black Chronos. I've owned this for almost a year now, and I've loved every moment of owning this watch. It comes in at £150. It's a semi-luxury watch for me. It's not like the top end, but at the same time, it's a beautifully spec'd watch with a sapphire crystal, ceramic bezel, and a very, very accurate movement. Even more accurate than my Omegas. So a very impressive watch, and it's sort of like a luxury beta watch for me, and it's something I'm really going to be looking forward to wearing on this holiday. I think this is a watch that I could just take in the sea, even with the sort of leather strap. I don't really care about the leather strap, it's nothing expensive, so I may wear this in the sea, and I'm hoping to get a load of photos. So if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, definitely do so to keep up to date, but also follow me on Instagram so that you can see all the photos I'm going to be taking while I'm on holiday. So I'm going to be uploading a load of beautiful photos of these watches, so if any of these watches pique your interest, go onto my Instagram and then stay tuned for the next couple months once I go away. So I'm going to go away about 2 weeks time from now, so prepare yourself for an absolute overload of watch photos. Thank you so much for watching though. That's going to be all the watches I have in my watch roll and on my wrist today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more like this in the future. And until this video, goodbye.